Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Volkswagen Taos? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The Volkswagen Taos dashboard features a modern digital cockpit with a customizable display, intuitive controls, and a touchscreen infotainment system. It includes ambient lighting and premium materials for a refined driving experience. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays for navigation, driver assistance, and essential vehicle data. The LCD display provides clear visuals for infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings, ensuring an intuitive and user-friendly experience. The gear system ensures smooth shifting, enhanced performance, and driving efficiency. The climate control system offers automatic temperature regulation and personalized comfort. The steering wheel offers precise control, comfort, and multifunctional buttons. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, airbag, brake, seat belt reminder, 12-volt energy supply, collision, steering, take over the steering immediately, engine coolant, rear traffic, oil pressure, oil temperature, do not continue driving, transmission temperature, vehicle security, anti-lock brake system, electronic stability control, electric park brake, tank almost, the tank cap is not closed, engine check, sure malfunction, do not continue driving, service forward collision, front passengers front airbag, emergency call, semi-automated driving, tire pressure, driving light, service stop start system, rain light sensor, steering, forward collision off, low washer fluid, autonomous emergency, adaptive cruise control, emergency assist, blind spot, adaptive cruise control, engine control, front fog, parking headlights on, rear seat belt reminder, turn signal, stop start active, high beam, particulate filter, engine RPM, transmission, adaptive chassis control, vehicle key not in vehicle. Outside temperature is below sway bar, autonomous emergency, distance warning, eco driving mode, comfort driving mode, sport mode, normal driving mode, individual driving mode, mobile phone connected, front passenger's airbag enabled, off-road driving profile, off-road custom driving profile, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.